Stack development, we have to use Node.js, Visual Studio Code, and there are some more add-ons that has to be added into Visual Studio Code. So already we have discussed in previous class, that is our objective is here to learn JavaScript, which will be used for the web development. Then you'll be able to develop web applications using Bootstrap, which will be used for responsive web application, and also we can develop React.js, that is the front end user interface. Then you'll be able to use API, and that will be created web application using Express.js. Also we have something installation of Express.js. Then we can use also database, and here we are going to use database as a MongoDB. Okay, that is NoSQL database. As we discussed, like in module 1, we'll be talking about only JavaScript, and most of the topic you have already learned in different programming language. Only the thing is that the writing, though, how you are going to print the result, that will be different. But the concepts are same. So already you have studied what is the statement, how to give the comments, what is the variables, what is the data types, what is array, strings, functions, method and objects, decisions and loop. Everything you have studied. Only the thing is that in JavaScript, how you are going to display, that means print, that is matter here. That's all. Remaining all the concepts are same. If you want to check the number A is greater or B is greater, then what you are going to use? Same condition, if A greater B, right? And else, if else. The same concept will apply here. Only the thing is that the printing statement, displaying a statement, you are going to change. For this, as I said, the first step, you have to install the Node.js. For this, just go to, by default, Google and type download Node.js. Okay, you can see here download Node.js. You can click on that. Automatically the website will be opened, and you can see here you have the Windows installer and a standalone. So if you are using Windows, you can use Windows. If you want to install on Unix, you have to run the certain commands. So most of you are using Windows operating system. So what I'll do, I'll click on download. So it will get downloaded. Okay. So what you have to do for installation, very simple steps. Open this, the software what you have installed, click OK. Then simple next, accept the term and condition, next, next, next. You want to install necessary tools, that we will leave it now. We'll just proceed as of now. You can select better. So everything will get installed on your PC. So make sure, so when pop-up comes, yes, you have to allow. That is the OpenJS foundation. You must allow it. So it will get installed on your machine, your laptop or computer, whatever you are using. Okay, so you can see that it's installed. Just finish it off. Open the command prompt. Okay, I'll just close once again. I'll open command prompt and type Node. So you can see that which version of Node.js is installed on my computer. Okay, so to test here my Node.js is working or not, we will writing console.log welcome to JS. Here is the result. Okay. So directly I wrote into the command line and it will give you the result. Clear? Clear guys? Everyone? So the first step, you should have Node.js. So this we have used here into the Node command prompt, right? Now we have to use in your Visual Studio Code. So what do you all do that? Go to the node, that is Visual Studio Code. Okay. You have created any workspace? Have you created any workspace? By default it will be open, right? So you can see that what I have done here, I have created a folder. So on the top, okay. So if you see on the left hand side, this is the Explorer, and you have here left side in the pane different options. So this is for Explorer. Then you want to search anything, you can search over here. Then source control. Then you have run and debug. That means normally in any application you have run to application, and then you have extension. So we will be installing several extensions whichever required for our learning process. Okay. So what I'll do now, so you can see that you can create any workspace whatever you want. What I'm doing, I'm creating this different module 1, module 2, the folder. So on the top you can see here this first plus icon, that is for the only a file. Second icon is for the folder. So you have to click on the folder, give the name and enter. Okay, automatically you will see that at the bottom here, you can see here how I have created module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. What I'll do, I'll create module 5 also. You see here, I'll create here. So it is going inside this. So I don't want inside this. I have to click to the root directory. So this is the root directory mine. Okay, so I'll click there and then I'll press new folder and I will type module 5. Okay. Module 5 and enter. Okay. So you can see that automatically this is into my FSD directory. All the directory is created, right? So similarly, you just go to any. So I have, this is the module 1. Here guys. So what you do, click on module 1 and click on +5. Okay. And create sample.js. Enter. You can see that automatically the color of the file will be changed. You can see that JS file, it's a yellow color. Okay. So now if you write directly here console.log, okay, and I will give welcome to JS, okay, semicolon, save it. Okay. Now if you see that terminal is open at the bottom, okay. If I type, so to execute here, I have to type node space file name. So what is the file name? Sample.js. It will not work because directory is different. You can see that I have kept in module 1 and I am executing somewhere. So what you have to do? You have to change the directory. So how to change the directory? So to changing directory here, you have to use like this way. So I have cd dot, because I am into the root directory, I have to go to the subdirectory JS, okay, and then I have to use like this cd space dot slash module. What is the folder name? Slash what is the file name? Sorry, I don't have, that is file name is module 1 only. So my file name is module 1. Enter. So the moment you enter, you can see that it is, the result is here. Okay. So now what I have to do? I have to just type node space, what is the file name? Sample.js. The moment you type, you will see the result as a welcome to JS. So this how we are going to execute on the using Visual Studio Code. Okay, clear? That's all for today. next we'll discuss about other HTML, CSS and JavaScript.